This is a discussion on adding slides from other formats to PowerPoint. For example, if you have a Word file, you can actually put it into PowerPoint. Notice that this is a Word file. It says heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. This puts them in as bullets on here, okay? And I'm going to close this out. You can't have the file open when you're doing it. So I'm on the Home tab, and I click over here. I'm going to browse slides from outline. It's going to take me into the folder where I have that. I just double click on it and they come through with, they're not showing the bullets in here because of this template here, but let me go into the design and I will choose this one here. Better example. You got that, this, you see the sub-bullets, the bullets there. You can also take slides from another PowerPoint show. Home, click in here. No, I meant to go to new slides and reuse slides. You're reusing other slides, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to browse for a file. I have to go into my flash drive where I have these files here. And I'm going to use the file called reuse. You would be using something that's a little more, what's the word, appropriately named. And you could keep the source formatting, but I'm going to just click on here once, twice, a third time. So you've got all the slides here. The master here does have a graphic in here, and let's say you want to alter it a little bit. So what I would do here, I go to view, I go into slide master, I go to the very top one here. I got that graphic there. I'm just going to delete it and put something else in. So what I'm going to do, it's the same thing to show you how to do that. This up here, the number 1, will link to all the other slides down there where it is appropriate in that choice. You don't want to have to paste it in each template. So what we're going to do right now, I am going to go into insert. I'm going to say pictures. And then again, we browse to find the image. It remembers this a second time. If you're adding more pictures, so you got that thing here, I double click on it, it shows up there. And let's say I want to put it in any other corner or whatever, but let's say I want this behind the slide number. I want to show you this. We're customizing this. I don't want this thing. I'm just going to pull it over here for now. You might want that as a little accent, but let's say I want that person there, the presenter. I go over here. It's in front. I right click inside here. I say send to back. You got the number there. Let's say you want a different color thing. You have to highlight this, and I go onto the Home tab and I want to change this color to, let's say, black. I click on the black, and can you change the size? Sure can. I'll make it 40. It doesn't show it there as bigger, okay? So you got to go in here, and it is 40. It didn't look it, but I'll just make this 60. It's way too big. I'm going to hit the undo. So you have to make sure you select properly. You can get things there. Let's say I want this lighter. You want to alter the picture. You click on Format. I click on Corrections. I could go here and really bleach it out. Can you change the color here? Yes, you can. I can make it lavender, purple, orange. So we've done that, and I'm going to pull this up a little higher. if you're putting the footer on there, you got to be careful that things do not overlap. I'm back on the Slide Master tab. I close out of this. So I'm over here. Now if we look here, the slide numbers are gone. We need to put it back or have them show. And to do this, I would say insert, header and footer. It didn't put it here. Slide number. Don't show entire slide. Apply to all. It's not showing. This does happen. It is there. So what you're going to do, we go into the Slide Master again. View, Slide Master. It looks okay. Let's go up here to the top one here. It shows the number there. And I'm going to try something here. I'm having a bit of a problem. But I'm going to say Close Master View. It's showing it there. It's not showing the number here. It's showing the 2 there, okay? We're going to go back into the Slide Master. Gets a little tricky sometimes. It can be a pain. That 2 is not showing up too good because of the dark background. We could change the color background here, but I just want to show you that example here. And I'm going to change the color of the font here so that things show up better. So we go into View, Slide Master. I'm going to pull this over to here. Get to the top one there. It's not shown because I'm on the wrong one. And I just pull this over to here. You got that there. It is in the back. And we're going to do something here. And it's showing the white here. We should have the white there, but I'm going to show you another trick in a minute. I'm going to close Master View. It's got the slide number there. I want to do one thing here. We got this stuff here. See how the colors are irregular here? Because this was done without a template here. So the best way to do this is, there's several ways. I'm going to go into the view for outline view. You got the text here. I'm going to do Control A for all the text. I want to change the color, maybe the font because it's inconsistent. I'm on the Home tab. I'm going to leave the I'm going to click on leave the size here alone. But I'm going to go into here, and let's say I want everything to be, let's say, Adobe. I mean Arial. If I click on Arial, that would be really but I'll just choose something like Antsy Pants, okay? And if you see every slide here, and if I go back to the regular view here, I'm going to do, it still didn't change the color. So I go back into here, I go into here, I'm going to make it all white. So if I'm on this slide here, I don't need this panel here, and I'm just going to click on View, and I'm going to go to Normal. You can see how you've got white slides throughout. I'm not saying I like this font or not, but I'm showing you this. If you don't want that little orange box there, you could always go in there. What I'm talking about is customizing a slideshow and branding it.